All right, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to show you how to make a big number 5 for a carnival birthday party. Here we go. So the first thing we did was we picked out the number 5 font that we wanted, and we put 4 of the project boards together to make a big enough 5, and we placed the 5 in the middle. So someone had to be upstairs to hold the projector down to make a large number 5. There was no space in our house where we could have posted the boards up and projected it from somewhere else, but whatever. Because we wanted the 5 to be large, but I guess we couldn't get it that big because no one's arms can like stay steady enough to trace this number 5. Like, it was crazy. After running back and forth around the board, my best friend decided to get another pencil, and he would trace one side, I would trace one side, and Cookie, my other best friend, would be at the top holding the projector so that we can hurry up and trace the number 5. So this took us about an hour to complete it, And then this is what it came out. You probably really can't see it, but the 5 is sketched out. This is the draft of the 5. And then I went back over the 5 again to make the lines more defined. Right here, Cookie used the X-Acto knife to cut out the 5. I just cut out the extra around to make it easier to just pull the 5 out. Then I started gluing the sides on, and then we have a number 5. It was easy. I would do it again, but I don't think I'll do it again. This is the party. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.